There's this movie called Ruhi that's on Netflix, and it stars Janhvi Kapoor and Rajkumar Rao and a host of others. Um, Here, this movie Ruhi is all about the character of Janhvi Kapoor getting possessed, and basically she's kidnapped, and then after being kidnapped, her kidnappers realize that she actually gets possessed. So the basic premise of the story is like really funny. So that is the cute thing about the film, but and it is a horror comedy. So you have like these sporadically these very funny dialogues, like like they catch hold of this tantric who has to exorcise the spirit, and part of that involves feeding her pans. So they show that he's put the pan into Janhvi Kapoor's mouth, that pandit or whatever, and then suddenly there's this male voice that says, uh, that says "Ilaichi kaun dalega be." It's like, I mean, for all that efforts of exorcising that spirit, the spirit wants to know why that pan doesn't have ilaichi. So it is, you have like these really funny dialogues in between, but the way the movie ends is that this it's supposed to be that to exorcise, to get rid of that ghost, Janhvi Kapoor should necessarily marry someone, but in the end they show her marrying herself, because she says me and this ghost will live a happy life together, like you know um, so maybe it's all about embracing your flaws and just it's accepting things, but except that ghostly entities and possessions and all is a very real thing, and if, if you all don't believe me, you all need to watch any of Happy Science, this Japanese healing organization, the videos, the documentary films, the films that they make. So anyway, but that on the whole, I'd give this film a 7 on 10, if not a 8 on 10 or something, because it's a very different film, and Janhvi Kapoor is like the star of the film. In fact, I feel she even overshadows Rajkumar Rao because her performance is so good. And I have no idea why I keep speaking for close to 3 minutes like this. But yeah, do try and catch it, people. It's called Ruhi, and this film is on Netflix. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.